Yes, yes, I'm telling you, Corona is too dangerous. It's too dangerous. Yes. Jesus, please. Jesus, please. Jesus, please.